Hi guys, welcome to my latest video. Sorry it's been a while. Sorry about the clouds. It's absolutely freezing here. Let's clear a few things up before we start. 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 1, that's 3. Quick maths. Secondly, I want to say hold tight to the old crew over at the JOG and hold tight to the new crew in the 1-6. You might also remember in my last video there was a chance to win a packet of spearmint polo mints. They have been won by my G, Big Shack, somewhere in London. So well done, Big Shack. Enjoy them polos. Another couple of things that you need to remember to do. You got to like, you have got to subscribe, and if you're interested, check out the link in the description to a picture of some biscuits.
Okay, what are we talking about today? Today, guys, we are talking about Busstop division. Okay, some of you will call it short division. It's called Busstop division. We want to keep it quick today, so we're going to do an I do, you do. That will speed things up. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a couple of examples. I'm going to do 196, and I'm going to divide that by 7. Okay, so I'm dividing by 7, and the way I do it, guys, is I know I'm dividing by 7, so straight away, either on a piece of paper or in my head, I'm thinking about that 7 times tables. Okay, Busstop division. The 196 goes inside the bus stop, and the thing that we're dividing by, the 7, goes outside. Okay, first question I ask myself, how many times does 7 go into 1? It doesn't. Okay, 7 is a bigger number than 1, so I put down a 0 and I carry that 1 across into the next column. That next column becomes a 19. How many times does 7 go into 19? That's my next question. I have a think about my 7 times tables, and I can see that the answer to that is 2, because 2 7s are 14. I put a 2 up here, and then I think about a remainder. 2 times 7 was 14. I needed 19. Difference between those two numbers is 5, so I carry a 5 into the next column, and it becomes a 56. Back to thinking about my times tables. How many times does 7 go into 56? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. And the beauty is, there's no remainder, so I now know that 196 divided by 7 equals 28. Okay, let's do another quick example. Let's do 116, and let's divide that by 8. See where we get to. Okay, so I'm dividing by 8 this time, guys. So straight away, in my head, on a piece of paper, I'm thinking about my 8 times tables. Okay, here they are. That's me thinking about them. 116 divided by 8. 116 is going inside the bus shelter, and the thing that I'm dividing by, which is 8, is going outside. Start at the beginning. How many times can 8 go into 1? It can't. 1 is a smaller number. So 0 up there, cross the 1 out, into the next column where it becomes an 11. Second question, how many times does 8 go into 11? Thinking about my 8 times tables, that happens just once. 1 times 8 is 8. I was looking for 11, I've got 8. That means there must be a remainder of 3. So the question now is, how many times does 8 go into 36? Let's have a look. Well, 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40, so somewhere in the middle, so I'm going to say 4. It goes in 4 times. Yeah, 4 times 8 is 32. I wanted 36. That means I've got a remainder of 4, but I'm not sure where to put it. Okay, what we do is we do something to this 116. We write it slightly differently. We write it as 116.0. Now, we haven't changed its value. We've just written it a bit differently. That decimal point, we copy it up there, and that now gives me somewhere where I can carry that 4. So the 4 carries into my 10ths column, and then I just got to ask myself, how many 8s are in 40? Boom, 5. No remainder, so my final answer is 14.5. Okay, so I do, you're going to do now, guys. What I want you to do is I want you to carry out these 2 divisions, yeah? Pause your video, have a go at them, and when you come back, we'll look at the answers. So, pause that video.
Yeah, no, I don't have to say anything. They've got it on pause. What? What are you saying? Take off my coat? I'm not going to take off my coat. Maths help's not hot. Maths help never be hot. Okay guys, you should have had time to do that, so if you play the video now, we'll look at the answers to these 2 problems, yeah?
So we had 136 divided by 8. Okay, now we know how to set that out. It's going to be 136 divided by 8, okay? And we're lucky because we're already thinking about our 8 times tables. How many times does 8 go into 1? It doesn't. Cross out the 1, carry it into the next column, it becomes a 13. How many times does 8 go into 13? Just the once. 1 times 8 is 8, So that means to get to 13, I would have needed another 5. So that's my remainder. 5 goes into the next column, and that becomes a 56. How many 8s in 56? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. No remainder. Answer to that is 17. Okay, last example. 226, and we're going to divide that by 4. Okay, now, most of you will know your 4 times tables, but it doesn't hurt to just have a think about it. I'm going to think about mine over here. There's my 4 times tables. How many times does 4 go into 2? It doesn't. So I'll put a 0 there. I'll carry that 2 into the next column. That's now a 22. How many times does 4 go into 22? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 lots of 4 gets me to 20. So I'm going to put 5, and then that was 5 lots of 4 is 20. I needed 22, so I will carry a 2 across. Okay? Now I'm asking myself how many 4s are in 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, 6 4s is 24. 7 is 28, which is too much. So I'm going to go for 6. I'm going to get the play button out of the way because that's really annoying me. Get out of the way, play button. Thank you. I'm going to rewrite this 226 as 226.0. Okay, haven't changed its value. I've just written it a different way. I'm going to make sure that I put that decimal place up there. 4 times 6 was 24. That means I've got 2 left to carry into this next column. Okay, how many 4s are in 20? 5. Okay, boom. All done. That's Busstop division.
Okay, why you have to do it in a bus shelter, guys, I don't really know. Just seems to be one of the rules. Okay, that's Busstop division. Oi, math help. What have I said to you about doing your dividing in that bus shelter? Go on, jog on. Oh, sorry guys, we're gonna have to 10 toes out of here. Now, down this way, guys.